7, everyone. We're having play dates here, and there's a lot of arts and crafts going on at the table. And there's Sammy. And Frannie has some friends here. And I'm trying to make those little, like, gnomes. Little Christmas gnomes. So I'm trying to see how that goes on. And,
I want to make a foam Christmas tree.
okay, I'm going to go get the stuff. We're going to make foam Christmas trees with our fat yarns. And it's just an all-around craft day, so come with us. They're all watching a Christmas movie. I made a tiny little hat. It's a little weird. And then I found all this Lion Brand yarn. I made a beard. So I'm going to put that on the end of it. And then you use a bead as the nose. Could be any kind of bead. That's actually a really nice bead, but whatever, it's what I had. I'm trying very hard to get my glue gun to heat up, and it is just not working. So I'm looking for the little zebra one that I have that's crap, and I can't find it. And there's Legos all over my house, and chips all over my couch, and yay for play dates. But see, this is my pile of returns here. And when I order boots, I order like 9 sizes, and I can't figure out how I'm going to return them. So that's awesome. Finally, my headache went away. I'm going to get back to my craft and go edit Vlogmas from yesterday, which is going to take no time because I did not video like anything. I'm really sorry. So hopefully we should be decorating a little bit tonight and then into tomorrow because this place looks very, very less than festive. But we started cleaning today, which is good. So I just got to get rid of all this. I mean, this is like Barbie crap heaven. I can't wait for this basement to be done. I can't wait. So I've been watching everyone's Vlogmas and I love them. I'm having so much fun. Watching Marilisa open Chelsea yarns the first day was really hysterical, actually. I really think you should tune in to Girl Meets Yarn. If you're not watching Chelsea yarns, all of them, they're great. So every night I put the kids to bed, I sit down and do that. Then YouTube showed me the Sorry Girls, and I watch the Sorry Girls a lot because they do a lot of DIY projects and I really, really just like their vibe. And one of the girls was making ornaments and she made a gnome, and I just thought it was so cute. Now the hat's a little bit high on this one, but I thought I would show you guys how to do it loosely. I'd like you to go to the Sorry Girls video. It's a video about ornament making, and this is how they made it. But I had some yarn that a neighbor gave me, like a ton of this, and I had some red, and I was like, I can do it. So let me show you the loose steps, and you guys can make gnomes of your own. And this is a much bigger beard than it's supposed to have, but I'm not going to keep cutting because then it will be gone. So let me show you. that's it. You can see the original video on the Sorry Girls channel on YouTube. I will link it down below for you. She's a lot more thorough with her instructions, but I think I did pretty well. I'm happy about my gnome. I like my gnome. I added some baker's twine to it so it would hang, and I put a bow on it. And there you go. Gnomeo and Juliet. I like the nose on this one better, but I couldn't find any more of those beads. And I think it's raw amber, which is a really precious bead. So I don't know if I just want to use it for gnomes, but this is a pearl. So it's a Swarovski pearl. I found it upstairs because I used to think I was going to make jewelry and save the world. But, you know, then that became a sketch on Portlandia, and I realized that I needed a real life. It's actually a really funny sketch. I'll link that down below too. It's called She's Making Jewelry Now. And I really saw myself in that sketch, and it was really funny. Anyway, I'm gonna go deliver this across the street to the little girl that wanted it. Bye. Where are we going? To bring a little holiday cheer with our gnome. I like your jacket, it's retro. And your braid, you look like Taylor Swift. What is happening here, lady?
Ready, look at me.
Oh, wow. No, Frannie. Oh, my God.
Oh.
Francesca.
Okay, good.
What time is it?
Oven time!
Oh, they knew what to say. That was great. High fives all around. Yeah, okay. Anyway, day 7. We're day 7ing. Are we day 7ing?
Yeah. I'm doing David Bowie.
Oh, is she? She thinks she's doing David Bowie.
I am.
Okay. Name one of his songs.
Starman? Wait, that was called? I forget.
Damn it. Okay. I'm both proud and upset at the same time. Okay, good job. What's that one?
I don't
Day
know.
7 for patisserie?
Tonight.
Okay.
is-
Wait.
Daddy,
Stop.
Daddy,
There's too much going on at once.
Today, it will be called fashion.
Fashion. This is day 7 Beehive Yarns, and it's called Pettifours.
Oh,
Isn't that pretty?
This is really fashion.
Okay. Did you open it? Ooh, that one's cool too. Yes. Oh, full skein of this, please. Thank you, Skitty Cocaine.
I'm going crazy with cotton candy.
Okay, wait. And then I get to open mine. Chelsea Yarns. Today is day 7, which
and
is
correct.
FAO Yarn.
FAO yarn. Like
It looks like toys.
pay.
That's really cool.
F will pay yarns.
3 totally different yarn companies, 3 totally different skeins, and amazing. Amazing. You guys are killing it. I love this. This is so cool. I love the whole thing. Like this, all the Bowie stuff is just very cool. Okay. All right, guys. I'm going to go do some crochet and put the girls to bed, and I'll see you in a little while. Why are you on me? Oh, the kid with the weird teeth. Get her off me. Oh my God, you're going to crash David Bowie. No. She snorted.
Hey, dude.
Dude? Is that why I did it? No, help me. You're making the weirdest noises today, kid. Get away.
No.
Get away.
That's a no.
Oh my God. Help.
Guys, you want to know why I have a Band-Aid on?
What is that?
It's a Band-Aid.
Why did you put a Band-Aid on?
Because my finger hurt and I got a cut.
Was it actually bleeding?
No, it was just hurting, but I want to put a Band-Aid. Daddy asked me if we should put a Band-Aid on, and I said yes.
You'll never say no to that. Band-Aids are like crack in this
Band-Aid,
household.
baby shark. I cut my hair. I hurt my finger.
Oh, she's melting. She's melting. Okay, they all went to sleep. I was folding the blankets and they were warm and I just wrapped myself in one. Anyway, I am gonna edit Vlogmas and I'm gonna work on my shawl a little bit. It's actually looking really nice. I looked up the weights for the yarn, and even though they're both considered worsted, the marinated is 218 yards per 100 grams and the Mad Tosh is like 100 grams, no, 200 yards per like 115 grams. So they are very different, and that was my mistake. I should have gotten it all in marinated because her colors are spectacular, but I was like, oh, I have cream at home, I don't need to. And they're very different. It's really not causing a problem with the shawl at all. I think it looks really nice. And so this color and this color, like these two are the same, and then this is supposed to be darker. I think they're a little close to each other, but you can see the difference. So I'm just gonna go with it. I don't really care at this point. Anyway, all right, I'm gonna edit Vlogmas and I will see you guys tomorrow. And again, as usual, I hope that it is even more riveting. Bye, guys. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning. I slept so much today. I'm watching Gigi. How can you tell? Everything is orange. Everything. When she said the McGG, McDonald's needs the McGG, I think that's excellent, and I think we need to like do a massive push for that because that sandwich looks so good. Oh my God, I can like smell it. Oh my God. I mean, filet of fish is good, but a McGG sounds over the top, right? Yeah. Totally. Anyway, I'm going to do this. I'm going to go to sleep, and I will see you guys tomorrow. And hopefully tomorrow's video will be more riveting. But don't count on it. Okay. Good night.